welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen. Welcome if you are stopping by for your first time. Or thank you for coming back. I don't know, I guess I don't say that enough. So thank you guys for just being here. This is gonna be the February unboxing of Simply Earth. If you guys don't know what Simply Earth is, they are 100% all natural oils. I absolutely love this box. I love receiving it every single month. And yes, this one is the recipe box. If you guys want to check out, I will leave link in the description box below. I also have a promo code. And yeah, when you sign up, you get the free big bonus box, which will have all the amazing things that you will need to make your recipes throughout the other months. And so for this month's box, I feel like that happens every single time I open these boxes because I always like to dig through them first and then open them. So for this month's box, there's fir needle, frankincense, veins, and coffee, along with rose hydrosol. And then also some French green clay. So that's probably means we're gonna be making some masks. I've gotta like open this up. I always open my boxes, but I don't ever like smell the oils and things like that. Holy cow, this coffee is like just like drink. That's amazing. I don't drink coffee, but I love the smell of coffee. Frankincense is like always used in our house, especially for times when everybody is sick. So that is awesome. The veins is kind of cool. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a mom and I feel like when I was pregnant, I got so large. Yeah, I got super large, we'll just say that. And I started getting like varicose veins behind like my knees, which is kind of gross. So I always like try to like self tan. I use a self tanner in the summertime to kind of cover it up a little bit. But I did see that there's six different recipes. Expresso Diffuser Blend, which is gonna be amazing. You just use 1 drop of coffee, 2 drops of frankincense. How easy is that? Veins sugar scrub. So this you need fractionated coconut oil and then some sort of like sealable container and some sugar. So everything doesn't always come in here, but the fractionated coconut oil does come in the big box. So when you do order this for the first time, it's $39.99 a month. You get the big giant box. But that is amazing for full size, 100% all natural oils. I just love these. Plus you have recipes and you get to keep these obviously forever. They also come with stickers, so once you do make your items, you can add your stickers to it so you know exactly what you made. There's clay and rose face mask. There's also, what do we got? Skin healing body butter. I definitely need this because my hands are cracking this winter and they're so gross. They're almost like peeling. I don't know, TMI, I don't know. Alert roll-on, which who doesn't need that? And then rose hydrosol bath. I don't take baths, so I usually don't normally make the bath recipes, but I'm gonna make a couple recipes and those are always super fun. Also, just to give you guys just a little bit extra in these videos, I know some people just don't like the full unboxing. I don't know why not, but I love unboxing videos. They're my favorite. That's kind of why I even started YouTube, because I like to unbox videos, which I don't know if you guys knew that, but yeah. So yeah, channels change in the next like few years, or the few years you go down the road, you kind of find something you like, or you find a couple things you like. But yeah, so I love thrift shopping. I have a ton of stuff I want to do. Winter is like here, but it's not here, but it's gonna like go. But I picked up a couple items that I always look for like fun things to do with essential oils. So I picked this little thing up. I think, okay, this was $3.09. Look how cute this is. If you make it look right, this is gonna fit like all your essential oils in here, super cute. Also this shelf, this has a heart, but I think once it's painted, it's gonna look super, super cute. This was also $3.09. But I think this was at the Goodwill like outlet, so it was only like I think $1.09 or $1.19. I can't remember exactly. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna redo these, make some recipes. It's gonna be like a super fun video. So let's go. All right, like I said, this first little trash of treasure is this. What do we want to call it? A tiny little cabinet. This is super cute. I knew it had some good potential. The red was really an eyesore on here. It was like almost like a velvety, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but this is what it looks like before. And then I try to push the back out. I'm going to show you guys. This is like total like behind the scenes. I don't normally show this, but I literally had to push this out with my foot because it wouldn't come out any other way. And then it looks like this red was like part of this. I don't know. It wasn't glued or anything. I don't know. It was seriously a huge pain. I took some painter's tape and I started painting, I started taping around the windows so I didn't get any paint on the glass. Using Waverly chalk paint and white, I actually ended up just not putting painter's tape on the other side, and it was just way easier just taking a razor blade and scraping the paint off, because I feel like even though I use the painter's tape, paint always bleeds through for me. I don't know. I don't know if I don't put it on right, but I don't know. I just prefer not to use it. It takes forever. It probably took like 15 minutes for me to even put these little 3 squares on. And then this side, when I pulled the back off, the pieces of glass on the sides actually came out as well. So that was kind of nice because I didn't have to paint around those. And yeah, I'm just doing like a really fast, here you go, this is what it looks like. I actually had to do 2 to 3 coats of paint to cover everything. And yeah, I just love using Waverly chalk paint because I could do all this within one day. And then I tried taking this red off, and like you can see, the wood is coming along with it. I don't know, it was a struggle. So luckily I had some more of this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I picked it up when it was 4 for $1. And then I am just going to cut it out and Mod Podge it right to the back side. I was going to do it on the red side, but I changed my mind and just flipped it right over. So the back side isn't the most prettiest thing you've ever seen. But I don't know. I don't know what to do with the red. Like I said, it will not come off. And then I did have to eventually take a smaller piece of scrapbook paper to put it on the side right here. And I did this on a different day. It was in my kitchen, and I don't know what it was about the kitchen this day, but I just had some halfway decent lighting, and I wanted to stand up, which is super weird because I like to sit on the floor. And then I'm just distressing it with a sander. This is just way easier than doing it any other way, so I just bring it out in the garage. This literally takes 1 minute. And of course, I am cleaning the glass, and then I'm just putting the little glass pieces back in because obviously you cannot put these in once you put the back on. And I just took my glue gun. I have a Surebonder glue gun. I'll leave that link in the description box if you guys want to check that out. And that's all I'm using to put the backing on. And this holds really, really well. I really like the Surebonder glue sticks. I also like the Gorilla Glue glue sticks. Those are absolutely amazing. And honestly, the ones you can pick up at Dollar Tree are pretty good as well. So I definitely recommend all 3 of those. Just depends on what kind of budget you're on. But I do like the ones from the Dollar Tree. I think maybe they go faster than the other one. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so now I just used my silhouette, and then I found this cute little quote on Pinterest. It says, "But first oils." I thought that was so cute because everyone always goes, "But first coffee," and I don't drink coffee, so it really has nothing to do with me at all. But I love this. I love essential oils. I love using them, and I love coming up with these like recipes. Coming up with them. I didn't come up with the recipes, but I love having these recipe boxes every month because you're always finding new ways to use essential oils that I probably wouldn't have unless I had this recipe box. And then this is what it looks like when it's all done. I think this is so cute. You can fit your oils in here, and even if you don't use essential oils, this is still like a nice little idea for you if you can find something like this at your thrift shop to just pick it up. This second little shelf, this is just like a really fast run through because I didn't do a whole lot to this besides paint and distress. Like I said, this was at the Goodwill outlet. I think I paid $1 for it, and then I'm using the Nimbus Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just painting. I actually did 3 coats of this because it was soaking in the wood so much, so I had to paint this a lot, and it was kind of driving me crazy because I thought this would be super simple and easy. And then I just used the sander again and sanded it down a little bit. And then I decided to add different things in here, like the roll-ons or the extra accessories I had for essential oils. I just have everything kind of in a bag right now, and then I also have them in my kitchen. But I thought this would be kind of cool so I can see exactly what I have. And I just love the way these turn out. I think these are so cute and easy to do. And now onto the recipes. This is just a diffuser blend. It's nothing big. I didn't actually put it in a bottle or anything. I just decided to diffuse it while I was working on the other recipes. So this is actually the first recipe, which is this Veins sugar scrub. You just needed a cup of sugar. So I just threw that in a bowl, and I needed a larger bowl. I don't know if you guys do that, but I always do. A tablespoon of this coconut oil, and then I can't remember how many drops of Veins, whatever the recipe says, and then you just mix it together. I kind of like using my hands in the end to mix it because I just think it kind of gives it a little bit extra. And I always think I don't have enough coconut oil until I actually put my hands in it and like start mixing it. And yes, you definitely have enough coconut oil. I don't know why I always like question these recipes, but they always work every single time. And then I just had this cute little jar. I can't remember where this was from. I want to say probably Michael's, like 5 or 6 years ago. I have a couple of these, and then I'm just adding the sticker right to it, and that is it for this recipe. How stinking cute does that look? So for this, I'm super excited to use. This is an Alert roll-on, and if you guys can't tell, I was having issues with my essential oil, the little coffee one. It wouldn't come out of the top, so I just kind of like poured it a little bit. I don't know, my might have been a little off, might have been not, I don't know, but yeah, I love using these roll-ons. I have one also for, it's almost like a Vicks like roll-on, but obviously it's like more all natural. I absolutely love it when we have a stuffed up nose. I just kind of roll it on our chest, and it is absolutely amazing. This Alert roll-on I was really excited to use too, because there is mornings I am exhausted and I don't want to get out of bed, or I just want to lay on the couch, and I think that will definitely work out in the end for me. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a ton of stuff all put together, but I really love doing these videos, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Link in the description box below if you want to check out Simply Earth, and I also have a promo code down there as well for you. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next one. Bye!